Hi everyone, this is Missy Durant from Sparkling Memories. Today this is what we would be making is some spinach and artichoke dip. And to have all the great flavor, we're gonna have it infused with some Parmesan cheese and Romano cheese. Not just plain old Parmesan by itself. Okay, so here are the ingredients. In front of you have the artichoke hearts. It's a little bigger in size, so you may have to piece it apart with your hand. We have salt, we have Parmesan cheese shredded, we have spinach, there is cream cheese, there's sour cream, and there's regular butter. Now, as you can probably guess, the seasoning over here is the butter already in the pan. And all we're gonna do is add these other ingredients and make that delicious dip. So let's get started. Okay, so there's butter in there, there's minced garlic, and some garlic cloves in there. One of the main reasons I want to have in the butter is to get that rich taste and all the essence you have when it comes to having the garlic and the butter come together and give it a nice flavor in the beginning. And now, I haven't done this before, but I'm saying maybe trying something new and experimenting. That's what this is a recipe about. Now this area is actually the spinach, and we're going to put that in. I'm not sure how it's going to turn out, but I'm praying that it turns out real good. Because when you're actually doing things that you're used to, you never know. And sometimes, yes, cooking can be an art if you know what you're doing, and you go by smell and taste. Because some people do not taste their dishes. And I would say to anyone that's trying to do something different, taste it first, so you could know exactly what is working and what's not. Give that a little saute there, get that a little hot. Now, what I want to do is take this out and put more butter in the same pot, because now this has in the roasted garlic and the spinach. Of course, we're going to put it back into the pot, but not right away, because I want to get that garlic taste within the spinach. Now this is of course the butter. We're going to go ahead and start with that. And let that marinate a little bit. Get it melted. Smells so good. I wish y'all could have smelled it. Because it still has that sense from the spinach and the garlic in there. Because you want to get it nicely done, whereas the garlic has on a nice roasted, or I want to say sauteed, because roasted it goes a lot more in terms of roasted. Okay, and since the butter has melted down, this is the cream cheese. I'm gonna go ahead and add that in. Oh yeah, there's a good bit of that. According to how much you want to put in there, you go for in half, you can pour the whole thing. But I'm looking at the flavor that I'm going for. And the flavor I'm going for is telling me put the whole thing in there. And that's going to take a little bit longer in terms of come down, versus if you had just like the butter alone. But the butter tends to do a lot faster. The cream cheese will take a little bit. And the one main reason I want to use this kind of pot is because how the heat is distributed in there. That's one of the main reasons I want to do that. And that's going to take a little bit. And since everything takes time, I'm going to go ahead and pour in the sour cream with the cream cheese. This is actually an 8 ounce of sour cream. I've seen people use a 16, but I am not going to go ahead and try something that's way up there, because I'm not a huge fan of cream cheese unless it is going to go in my taco supreme with something to that extent. Then I will do the cream cheese or the sour cream with it. So go based on what I know works, and it has a nice consistency. At this point it looks like all cream, but it's actually cream cheese along with the sour cream. And let that rolling something there before you start adding all kind of extra items in there. Just let it melt down. It's kind of going to look like, say for instance, if you had white cheddar and you had it in a pot and it melted down, and that's kind of what it's going to look like. This kind of also looks like heavy cream at this point, because that's exactly what you want to go for to get it down. And this is what it looks like now. See, it looks more like heavy cream, and it only has in about 4 ingredients so far. Then you want to go ahead and add your artichokes. Put it all in there, because that's one of the base of it. Just go ahead and let that cover some of it. What I like about it is just said that it would not take a very long time. And with the consistency of it, I'm pretty glad it's on a low fire. At this point, you want to go ahead and add the spinach. See right now on top there, the roasted garlic. Okay, so we have most of the ingredients in there, and what you want to do is all a folding action to get everything mixed in there nicely. Everything seems to have been melted down. Let me give it your stir. I'm gonna go ahead and stir this up a little bit more, and I think I might add other seasoning to it to give it that extra oomph in terms of how it should be. At this point, we put in the fresh Parmesan cheese and get that a nice stir and let that actually melt away with all the great ingredients that's in there too. The only thing I think I probably would have done different is probably putting more sour cream in terms of the taste, but it's looking real good and tastes even better. And this will be the spinach artichoke spinach dip, homemade with all good ingredients and making things so much easier and better. Till next time, this is Mrs. Around for Sparkling Memories. Bye bye.